Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment number 2 and the topic world of microorganisms from class 8th. So let us discuss one by one question. The first question, what are microorganisms? Where do we can find them? So what are microorganisms? The microorganisms are minute organisms which we cannot see with our naked eye. Let us write the answer. Microorganisms are small organisms which we cannot see with our naked eye. Okay. So these microorganisms, how can we see? With the help of a microscope. We can see them. With the help of microscope. So where do we can find them? Everywhere we can see that a microorganisms, that is air, soil, water. Okay. So let us write that answer: air, water, soil, everywhere. Okay. So let us go for that of next question. What type of microorganisms can be observed in a pond water? So there are two types of many organisms we can find. The majorly algae and protozoans we can find. Okay. So algae, for example, Chlamydomonas, okay, Spirogyra, protozoans, like amoeba, paramecium, okay. So let us go for that of next question. The next question, write an activity to observe the fungi. So let us write the activity. The aim, observation of fungi. That is rhizopus we are going to observe. Okay. So materials required. We need here microscope to observe. Microscope, slide, glass slide, toothpick, and the sample of bread mold. Bread mold is nothing but rhizopus. Okay. So let us write that a procedure. So procedure is, first we need to prepare that a bread mold. We need to take a bread piece, okay, and sprinkle the water on it, put it in the polythene bag, tie it with a rubber band or else a thread. Then we have to keep it in the dark place so that it develops that a rhizopus bread mold, which is a decayed fungi, and the black color substances as we can collect it and putting on the slide we can observe under the microscope. So let us write that answer here. Procedure. Take a small sample of bread mold, on slide with the help of toothpick. Okay. So we'll write that the next one. So add a drop of water. So we will write here water also in the materials required. put a drop of water, or we can write add a drop of water, put a drop of water on it, observe under the microscope. So observe under the microscope. Okay. So what is your observation? Observation, simple line as we can write, observed fungi or rhizopus. Okay. So let us see that drawing a diagram here. Okay. The fungus. So it just consisting of that the hyphae, so it is consisting of roots like structures. These are called as rhizoids. Okay, these are called as rhizoids, and the spreading area is called as hyphae. If you see under the microscope, so there will be a black color substances. These are called as spores. Spore bearing structure is called as sporangium. Okay, so like this way, as we can observe under the microscope, that is rhizopus. And comes to the top here, we need to take some measures by the doing of this during this procedure. Okay, as we should not touch that bread mold directly, we need to wear that gloves. Okay, and we should not smell and we should not eat any substances of this, because it is causing that diseases. So this is what first we need to take that spoiled bread and take a toothpick slowly, as we need to take a sample, putting on the slide itself, as if you see that. Okay, so if you see that on the slide, the sample, add a drop of water, then we can observe that under the microscope. If you see that, then the rhizopus will be appears like this way. That's all for this assignment. Thank you.